Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain the Apple Card drop test review. We'll dive into how this unique titanium card holds up against accidental falls and everyday wear. We'll explore its resilience when dropped from typical pocket height onto various surfaces like concrete and wood. Understanding its physical durability is key to assessing its overall value and whether it meets your expectations for a premium financial tool. When subjected to drop tests, the Apple Card's titanium surface generally holds up well against minor scuffs. However, drops onto unforgiving surfaces, such as concrete, frequently lead to visible dents and scratches, especially along the edges. While the card's material offers good resilience, it is not entirely impervious to damage from significant impacts or sharp objects. Despite potential cosmetic damage, the Apple Card's core functionality usually remains intact after drops. The embedded EMV chip and magnetic stripe are designed to withstand considerable impact without failing. Only in cases of extreme bending or cracking, perhaps from being stepped on, would the card likely become unusable. This suggests good operational resilience for everyday accidents. So, is the Apple Card worth it based on its durability? Overall, the card proves quite resilient for daily use, with its titanium build offering a premium and robust feel. While it can sustain cosmetic damage from severe impacts, its functionality typically endures. Ultimately, its value extends beyond just physical toughness, encompassing its financial features and integration into the Apple ecosystem.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.